Hello, amazing storytellers and adventure seekers. Welcome to another exciting journey where imagination knows no limits. Today we have a fantastic tale filled with wonder, creativity, and a little bit of magic. So get comfy, open your ears, and let's dive into a world of adventure, laughter, and surprises. Are you ready? Let's begin. The Little Inventor. In the colorful town of Whimsical, there lived a bright and curious child named Theo Tinker. He wasn't like most kids. While others played soccer or painted pictures, Theo spent his time creating extraordinary inventions in his workshop. Theo's room was filled with gears, wires, and blueprints. He could turn anything into something amazing. A shoe that tied itself, a backpack that carried itself, and even a toaster that could dance. One morning, Theo heard his best friend Olivia sighing. "What's wrong?" Theo asked. "My cat Whiskers keeps knocking over my water bowl, and I always have to clean up the mess." Theo's eyes sparkled with excitement. "I'll invent something to fix that." Theo worked all day, twisting, turning, and tinkering. Finally, he revealed the No-Spill Water Bowl 3000. It had a built-in sensor that kept the water perfectly balanced no matter how much Whiskers pawed at it. Olivia cheered. "Theo, you're a genius," but just then they heard Mr. Jolly, the baker, groaning. "Oh no, my hands are too busy kneading dough. I wish my oven would open by itself." Theo grinned. "I have just the thing." With a flick of a switch, he created the auto-open oven door, which popped open whenever it smelled delicious bread baking inside. Mr. Jolly clapped his flour-covered hands. "Brilliant!" As Theo walked through town, more people needed help. Mrs. Plum's flowers needed watering, but she always forgot. "No problem," Theo said. He invented the raindrop sprinkler, which watered the plants whenever the sun was too bright. Then Theo met John, who loved reading but kept losing his place in his book. "I have just the thing," Theo declared, inventing the page hugger bookmark, which gently held the right page until John was ready to turn it. Soon the whole town was buzzing with excitement. Everyone wanted a Theo invention. But Theo began to feel tired. He loved inventing, but he needed a break. His friends noticed. "Theo, you help everyone, but who helps you?" Olivia asked. Theo smiled. "Maybe I need an invention for myself." He got to work, and soon he had built the Relax-O-Matic chair, a cozy, self-rocking seat that played soft music whenever he sat down. As Theo rocked in his chair, he had a new idea. What if he taught others how to invent? He invited all the kids in town to his Inventors Club. At the club, Theo taught his friends how to dream big, solve problems, and build their own amazing gadgets. One by one, his friends started inventing too. Olivia made a snack dispenser backpack. John built a glow-in-the-dark storybook. Even Mr. Jolly made a bread-slicing robot. Theo beamed with pride. Whimsical was now a town full of inventors, creators, and dreamers. As Theo closed his workshop for the night, he smiled. There would always be more inventions to make, but for now he was happy, knowing he had made the world a little bit better. And with that, Theo Tinker, the little inventor, drifted off to sleep, dreaming of his next big idea. And that's the end of our incredible story. What an adventure! Stories have a special way of taking us to new places, sparking our imaginations, and filling our hearts with wonder. If you enjoyed this tale, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for another magical journey. And guess what? You can take this story home with you. It's available on Amazon, so you can read it anytime and share it with friends and family. Keep dreaming, keep imagining, and most of all, keep reading until next time. Goodbye, storytellers.